Doing more than a 30-day program was never really something that I had thought about, but that kind of planted that seed. And then whenever I got to treatment this time, I kept hearing over and over again, the longer that you're in treatment, the better off that you're gonna be and the better chance that you're gonna have in the end. So that seed had been planted by the judge, and it took off from there. And I knew that, one, it would look good, but also I kept hearing that it was gonna be better for me in the overall. So I ended up coming here and doing another 5 months in treatment, and it's worked out really well so far. So I'm really glad that I decided to take those suggestions and that that seed was planted by her. And then I got to First City on December 27th, 2023. And I graduated June 1st, 2024 from First City. Now I am the Assistant Director of Maintenance, and on a day-to-day role, I help upkeep the facilities and the grounds and do maintenance tasks, but I'm also talking to clients and being involved in their recovery, which helps my recovery. And that's honestly one of my favorite parts of the job, is being involved on the day-to-day with the clients and getting to see people go through the same process that I did. I'm from North Vernon, Indiana. I graduated from Jennings County High School in 2012, and I've lived in Kokomo for the past 2 years. I was about 14 years old. It had been about 16 years of use pretty heavily, and then for the last 2 years of my use, it was a lot of jail, rehabs, institutions, work release, all those sort of things. I am looking to start taking some classes and to further myself in the field and get some more qualifications and things like that, and start progressing back towards getting a degree. I feel like I'm an asset to people around me for the first time really in my life. So those things are things that I never would have thought to hope for whenever I got into treatment this time. Like, all that I wanted out of treatment was to just not have warrants and be in trouble. And so if I had only gotten that, I would have sold myself so short of everything else that I've gotten just to this point through the first 2 years of my recovery. I would say that anybody can recover. Nobody is too far gone, and reach out to the people closest to you, or reach out to people that you know have made it to the other side. Anybody can recover if given the opportunity and the right tools.